The vision. God woke me with a vision of looking up a hillside. There was a little snow on the ground, just sparse patches, a light snow. This hill was a field, and it looked like it had been harvested. The field was not abandoned, it was finished. The harvest had come and gone, what remained was the bare ground, and the first cold beginning to settle in. Vision! This morning, God woke me again. We reached the apex of something tonight. When the sun goes down, which means when the sun goes down in Israel. I heard a song, I heard both sides of it. The song apex tonight and starts to descend tomorrow. The music sounded something like Skater Boy by Avril Lavigne. A song about two sides of the same moment. One doesn't recognize what they were looking at. When the sun goes down in Israel tonight, it turns exactly 222 days since September 22nd, 2025. 222 is exactly half of 444. Tonight is the midpoint, the apex. We are halfway there. Sunset in Jerusalem tonight, approximately 7:16 to 7:21 p.m. Israel time. Then I checked the Hebrew calendar. Tonight at sundown he begins. 15 IR 5786 Pesach Sheni, the second Passover in the Torah. Numbers 9. God gave a specific provision. Some of the people came to Moses and said, we were ritually unclean. We were on a distant journey. We could not keep the Passover on its appointed day. Are we to be left out? God answered Moses, let them keep it on the 14th day of the second month. And so Pesach Sheni, the second Passover, was born. The only Torah commanded holiday that exists for one reason alone. A second chance. If you were unclean, you still had a door. If you were far away, you still had a door. If you missed it, there was still a door. The message of Pesach Sheni, written into Torah, is simply this: it is never too late. The apex of this 444-day arc, the midpoint of what God showed to thousands, falls on the night of the second Passover. The halfway point of this prophetic arc lands on the holiday of second chances. The number 444. I had a vision of 444. So did thousands of other people, separately, independently. Some years before, some months before, some perhaps only days before. Even my brother, the only vision he ever had was 444. We thought it was symbolic, a number pressed into the spirit. We did not know it was a day count. Now we know what it was counting toward. When God shows the same thing to thousands of people who do not know each other, who are not coordinating, who cannot explain why they received it. Some years before, some months before, some perhaps only days before. He is marking something. The number 444 was given as a vision, a prompting, a word pressed into the spirit, not explained, not attached to a calendar. My own brother saw it first. A vision he could not explain. 444 on his spirit, like a seal on an unseen page. It came before the count began, or while the count was underway. So when the day arrives, there is no question who sent the signal, who marked 2026. The seventh candle is lit, December 10th evening light, and the whole thing fits. Night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4, night 5, night 6, and night 7 opens the door. The miracle of oil that would not run out, the triumph of light when the door came around. 444, 444, God was marking a day. 444, 444, the signal came to stay. The signal came to stay. I do not tell you what to do. I'm reporting what I received. A harvested field in Apex. A number none of us could leave. Day 0, day 2, 22. Day 4, 44. The full arc bends to one small flame.